Welcome, my dear listener. Are all how are you, the friends? That what I will tell you about today's class 6 lesson number 9. The name of lesson I will go with my father. A-Ploughing. Writer by Joseph Campbell. So I started this lesson. I will go with my father a plowing to the green field by the sea, and the rooks and the crows and the seagull will come flocking after me. I will sing to the peasants, horses will the lark in the while of the eager, and my father will sing the plough song that blesses the cleaving air. I will go with my father a swing to the red field by the me, and the rooks and the crows and the starlings will come flocking after me. I will sing to the rising swallows with the finch of the grinning slow, and my father will sing the sad song that only the wise men know. I will go with my father a rigging to the brown field by the sea, and the geese and the crows and the children will come flocking after me. I will sing to the then faced reapers with the rain in the heat of the sun, and my father will sing the south song that joys for the harvest done. So, friends, were today's chapters. Like to come, please like it and enjoy. Those who have not yet subscribed to my channel, they must be subscribed to such adaptation. Thanks a lot to those who subscribe to my channel.